Today, we are back at the stadium to see all the latest progress. From the upper platforms to the ramps and tribuna, every corner is buzzing with activity. We will check out the escalators being installed, the third tier taking shape, and the new ceramic louvers rising along the façade. There's so much happening, and every detail tells a story of this incredible transformation. Let's dive in. In the parking zone, work on the ramp and the lateral stand continues with steady precision. The reinforcement bars are being aligned, the support frames are taking shape, and new structural molds are being prepared for the next concrete layers. This area shows consistent movement as crews secure every section, ensuring the ramp and lateral elements form a solid base for the final layout. The mechanical escalators are being installed carefully with the help of cranes. Each section is lifted, guided, and lowered slowly into its exact place. Workers check the alignment, secure anchors, and make sure everything fits perfectly. The process is slow but precise, showing how every piece is positioned safely. Across the facade, ceramic louvers continue being positioned one by one. Each fin is lifted, slotted into its frame, aligned precisely, and fixed securely. The pattern grows wider as more louvers fill the exterior, gradually forming the signature outer skin that will define the stadium's new architectural identity. In this section, concrete pump operations remain fully active. Workers coordinate the flow of concrete into the prepared molds, guiding each layer carefully to prevent gaps and uneven settlement. The machinery operates continuously as teams smooth, level, and secure the fresh concrete, allowing the structure to gain shape and strength with each new pour. Inside the tribuna area, structural definition becomes clearer. New metal frames rise along the platforms, forming the pathways and barriers that will outline the internal circulation zones. Support beams, panel divisions, and vertical connectors continue joining into place, giving the tribuna a more organized and recognizable form with every passing hour. At the north goal, progress moves steadily as structural layers rise across the section. New fittings, reinforcement bars, and connection points appear along the platforms. Workers focus on strengthening the base and preparing the surfaces where upcoming tiers and internal structures will be installed. Work on the third overhang shows strong momentum. Metal frames are being lifted and placed, forming the skeleton that will support the extended roof section. The alignment checks, bolt installations, and welding points continue throughout the day, giving the overhang more shape and depth as it stretches outward from the upper structure. On the upper platforms, work remains constant. Teams relocate materials, mount temporary supports, and prepare the edges for upcoming installations. Mechanical equipment, reinforcement bars, and structural frames are moved into place as the upper areas slowly transform and stabilize, section by section. The prefabricated stair units continue arriving and being positioned along their designated points. Cranes lift each module, workers guide them into alignment, and anchoring teams secure them to the main structure. With every installed stair block, vertical circulation improves and the internal flow of the stadium becomes clearer. Work in the south goal area continues at a steady pace. Elevating platforms are positioned near the pillars as crews prepare the structure for future louvre supports. Some base pieces are already installed on the beams, indicating the next phase of work. Although activity here is lighter compared to other sections, drilling and preparation show that progress in South Goal is clearly moving forward. That's a wrap for today's update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting progress straight from the stadium.